everybody? Just want to give another update. Finally got my Pucker Factory Fab passenger log manifolds in. And let me tell you something, he does good work. That is gorgeous. ARP exhaust studs. That crossover. Got my VS Racing 6762 mounted to it and VS Racing wastegate. And I'm gonna run that feed line. I think I'm gonna run it on top of here, right behind there. Might get some ties, you know, like cable ties or something like that. Some of them, the fat ones, and mount it to that bracket. You know, make it a dual use, I guess. They ended up getting one that was a little bit too long, but I think I can tie it back and make it work. And I did get my oil return on. I'm gonna put my pan on tomorrow. It got too late tonight and I'm too dang tired. So that's done. So I hope 2 days I'm gonna drop this motor in this car. I may have to call for a little bit of help, but just somebody to hold something while I'm trying to drop it in and watching. I don't want to tear any of this nice stuff up, but yeah. And a buddy of mine said that he's got a friend who can fix this for me. So probably what I'm gonna have done is just have him recut it here. Just put one new solid pipe all the way down. Just have him measure it and redo that whole piece. So yeah, and I'm just gonna take that off at once and do that. But yeah, it looks really, really good. So I know it's a little short update, but hey, it is what it is. Oh yeah, and my fuel tank is at the radiator shop getting cleaned, so hopefully it's fixable. I also got the Pucker Factory Fab fuel top hat, Bill aluminum fuel top hat. So in case y'all want to see it up close, and it's really nice too. See how your electricals go through there. Yeah, I like it. So that should be pretty good, but like I said, I gotta wait on my tank. Hopefully my tank's okay. If it's not okay, I'm probably gonna end up going with a fuel cell, so that'll be for sale, but I hope my tank's okay. But we'll see, because, you know, in that last video, it was really gross. So, but yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe if you can, and hit the like button for me. Appreciate it.